He wants to see them.
Have a seat. This could take a while. I have a proposition for you. It's about your future, and the baby's too. As you've probably guessed, the other players have formed a team, and will target you and the baby in the next game.
Why are you saying all this to me now?